Oh, come ye fae the Highlands, man, and come ye all the way. Did you see MacDonald and all his men as they come the sky singing diddy-I-O, sing ballad, sing diddy-I-O-I. And was ye near enough, did ye that number see? Come tell to me, John Hieland, man, what might the numbers be? Singing diddy-I-O, sing ballad, sing diddy-I-O-I. Oh, I was near enough, and I their number saw. There was 50,000 Hieland men on Merchant Bay Harlaw, singing diddy-I-O, sing ballad, diddy-I-O-I. The Hieland men with their lang swords, they laid our spruce sair, and they drug back our Lowland men 3 acres breadth and mair, singing diddy-I-O, sing ballad, sing diddy-I-O-I. Lord Forbes to his brother they'd say, oh brother, did you see? They'd drive us back and Uncle sick, and we'll be forced to flee, singing diddy-I-O, sing ballad, sing diddy-I-O-I. Oh no, my brother, all this thing will never be. You'll take your guitar in your hand and you'll gang it with me, singing diddy-I-O, sing ballad, sing diddy-I-O-I. The first blow that Lord Forbes is struck, he got MacDonald reel. The next blow that Lord Forbes is struck, the brave MacDonald fell, singing diddy-I-O, sing ballad, sing diddy-I-O-I. Sick a cry for among the Hieland men to see their leader fall. They've captured him and they've buried him a mile fae Harlaw, singing diddy-I-O, sing ballad, sing diddy-I-O-I. And if any yin should spear at ye for them that nearst the war, just tell them plain and very plain they're biding at Harlaw, singing diddy-I-O, sing ballad, sing diddy-I-O.